When choosing PCB design software, consider your project's complexity, budget, and platform preference. KiCad stands out as a robust open-source tool suitable for both beginners and professionals. It offers schematic capture, PCB layout, and 3D visualization. Altium Designer is an industry-standard tool known for its comprehensive features, including advanced routing, simulation, and collaboration tools. Autodesk Eagle caters to hobbyists with its user-friendly interface and a free version, though limited in board size and layers. Perfect for startups. EasyEDA is a cloud-based solution for quick prototyping and collaboration, accessible from any device with a browser, making it convenient for remote teams. In summary, choose KiCad for a free option, Altium for enterprise-level features, Eagle for ease of use, and EasyEDA for collaboration.